Hey guys, a very warm welcome. I'm Hina Bhimani. You guys are watching me live on your favorite Goki app, on your favorite show, the Hina Bhimani Wellness Show. And today we are going to be talking about an antidote for your immune system. Okay, तो egg क्यों जरूरी है हमारे इम्यूनिटी के लिए, आज हम वो डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं. सो गाइस स्टे ट्यून, कीप वाचिंग गोकी एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय सेशन इफ यू हैवंट सब्सक्राइब टिल नाउ. एंड बिफोर वी स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट टुडेज टॉपिक, we have this wonderful quiz which is going to start in a few minutes from now. So wishing you all the very best and I hope that you all participate. A very warm welcome to all the Facebook viewers also. We are going live on Facebook too. So guys, you can watch Goki live on Facebook. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We are there all over. And we are doing this wonderful initiative with the government of India where we are doing sessions with Fit India movement every day on different topics. Good evening Archana Sumani, good evening Om Prakash, Anantu Mohan, good evening RVS Mani, hi Manbir Singh ji, Sheetal Rajput, good evening Dr. Arun Kumar, namaste. Achintya Chakravarti, yes, stay safe at home. Arantu, thank you so much for tuning in. So guys, please ये quiz खेलिएगा, ये good cause के लिए. This quiz is for good cause. You will get knowledge from this quiz. At the same time, you will also be able to contribute, to this wonderful cause. ये बहुत ही अच्छा initiative है जो गोकी ने लिया है, so that you guys can donate your points and we can give face mask to all our frontliners. This is the least we can do from our end. Saurabh ji, namaste. Bandita Sahu, hi. Anantu Mohan, namaste. Pradeep, good evening. Sudhir Rai, namaste. Siva Ganesh, good evening. Thank you everyone for tuning in. I'm doing great. I hope you guys are also doing great. Neeraj Gupta ji, namaste. बस हम बस एक ही मिनट बची है. एक मिनट में हम ये क्विज खेलेंगे, उसके बाद में हम डिस्कस करेंगे आज का ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सा लॉजिक है टू टेल यू ऑल. रिकवरी फेज पे जब भी, स्पेशली सिंस वी आर गोइंग थ्रू COVID-19, ओके, कोरोना वायरस का जब भी प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है, यू नो, पीपल हु आर रिकवरिंग ओके फ्रॉम कोरोना वायरस, देव बीन गिवन एग्स जो है वो बहुत ही अच्छा है हेल्थ के लिए, इम्यूनिटी के लिए अच्छा है. इट हैज होस्ट ऑफ बेनिफिट्स, बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स है, बहुत सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स है जो मैं आप सभी के साथ शेयर करूंगी. एंड दैट्स व्हाई eggs are wonderful. It is filling, it is low in calories, it is a good source of protein, it's a good source of 9 essential amino acid, it's a complete protein, it's a wonderful I would say protein source. So agar aap egg kha rahe ho, if you are an vegetarian, then this is the best, I would say, food for you, especially in this problem of coronavirus. Yes, eggs will help you to boost your immunity. And bas now we are going to start the quiz and we will discuss the topic as soon as the quiz is over. So all the very best. Namaste. So guys, the quiz is over and I'm so happy that so many of you all, 1600 people watching me live, and I'm hoping that you all have participated in the quiz, and I can't be more happy. We all are doing a great thing. We all are donating points for our frontliners. Thank you so much everyone for participating. Do let me know your scores and we'll discuss about today's topic, guys. Like my sessions, there are wonderful sessions happening on Goki done by Kajal, who talks about nutrition. We have Parvez, who does marathon, who does meditation. We have Parvez, who does marathon training. We also have Ronak, who talks about meditation. We have Sheetal, Nishta, Bhumika, all of them doing yoga sessions. We have Tufel doing fitness, and we have such many wonderful coaches working on board with us who are doing amazing jobs. So guys, you have to go and check them out and subscribe to their sessions. So egg, okay, now one egg has approximately 70 to I would say 80 to 85 calories depending upon the size of the egg, okay. So 75 to 80 to 85, between that much calories one egg has. Approximately 6.5 grams of protein is there in one egg, okay, plus or minus 0.5 grams, okay. So itna protein hai, which is great, okay. It has 5 grams of fat, and now this fat is not the bad fat. This fat is good fat, and this fat is needed for your heart, okay. So this has good fats. Good fats are very, very important for your heart. Good fats are very important for your brain development. Good fat helps in absorption of vitamin A, D, E, K. 4 vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. इसका एब्जॉर्प्शन आपके शरीर में तब भी होगा जब भी आपके बॉडी में कोलेस्ट्रॉल होगा, ओके. इफ कोलेस्ट्रॉल इज नॉट देयर, दीज vitamins will not get absorbed in your body. Okay, now cholesterol is there, good fat, okay. Cholesterol is there in the egg yolk. Now cholesterol is not always, I mean, like we consider like the bad fat cholesterol. So there's HDL, there's LDL, okay. That's HDL is the high density lipoprotein, LDL is the low density lipoprotein. Now the high density lipoprotein is actually good for your heart, it's actually good for your body, it's actually good for your brain development, it's very good for your hormonal balance, it's very good for the absorption of vitamin A, D, E, K. And LDL, which is low density lipoprotein, is bad for you, okay. So LDL is bad, HDL is good. HDL is present in eggs, so eggs में HDL है, and HDL is wonderful for your body. We have Anita Arora, Jovish, thank you so much. Disappointing to see so less participants in last quiz when Goki was giving mobiles and gadgets. We used to have 25k times. Yes, I know, we are disappointed, but that's okay. Try to, involve your friends, family, and get as many people as possible. Sharda ji, hi. Srinivas, thank you everyone for tuning in. So guys, we are talking about eggs, okay, and you guys have any inputs related to eggs, how to eat eggs in different ways, you can keep sharing. I will give you all my inputs. I will tell you all how eggs are beneficial. Divya is asking, other than non-veg, where can I get vitamin B12? Don't worry, other than non-veg, also you can get vitamin B12 in nuts, you can get in seeds, you can get in green leafy vegetables, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, first of all, vegetarian, there are people who are vegetarians and they are still healthy, okay. There are people who are non-vegetarians and they are still healthy, or unhealthy for that matter. People who are vegetarians are sometimes unhealthy also. So it's not about being a vegetarian or non-vegetarian, it's about the choice of food that you make, okay. So if you're making the right choice of food, you will be always fit. If you're making a wrong choice, you will be you will have issues, you will have health problems. So try and make the right choices, which are very, very important. Now we are talking about eggs. So egg yolk, especially, a lot of times what happens is we discard the egg yolk, we separate the egg yolk, we just have the egg white thinking yolk is fattening. Yes, it is fattening, but it has good fats, which is very, very important for your heart, which is very good for your skin, for your hair. आपके बालों के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है. It has this nutrient which is called as choline, which is very good for the development of the brain. It's a wonder food. It's a superfood which is given to pregnant women. It's given to nursing women. It's given to people who are recovering from a disease or recovering from an illness. It helps in better recovery. So egg as a whole has a lot of nutrients. Do not separate egg from the egg yolk, egg white from the egg yolk. Have it as have a complete egg. You can make eggs the way you want. You can have poached, you can have boiled egg, you can have fried egg, you can have an omelette, you can have purji, you can have it the way you want to. Just ensure the medium of cooking that you're using. Okay, do not use olive oil, do not use sunflower oil. Use basic, the filtered groundnut oil, or you can even use ghee. That's the best to cook. Okay, so ghee use kijiye, and yes, and have your egg the way you want to. Also, the best part about egg is it is quite filling. It's not so high in calories. Okay, it is about, like I said, between 75 to 80 calories, and it is it will keep you full. And since it has good quality of fats, okay, that's why you feel full. Protein and fat helps you to keep full. If you keep eating carbs the whole day, fruit khate rahoge aap pura din, or if you keep having rice or roti, you will keep feeling hungry, because carbohydrate will not give you that satiety value. Your protein, your fats will give you that satiety value. So eggs will help you to feel full. Eggs will give you that energy. Eggs will help you to recover faster from any illness. Especially, I would suggest all of you, whoever has eggs, okay, for whomever it's possible to have eggs, please ensure that you have eggs every day in your diet. Hina is the food of all cookie users, flourishing oasis of optimum development. Thank you so much, Jay. That is so sweet of you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Dada. Thank you so much. Other than eggs, any other vitamins? I have natural vitamin plant. I didn't get your question. How many eggs do we need per day? Daily intake of eggs lead to cancer, ma'am? No, Mahesh ji, this is a misconception. There is no studies, okay? I mean, a proper study where they've shown that egg can lead to cancer. No, I mean, please, egg is absolutely safe. You can all have eggs. It depends, okay, how much physical activity you do. So you can have, say, about 2 to 3 eggs to 4 eggs in a day. Garmi zyada hai, it's heat, it's very hot. So now you can have lesser number of eggs, okay. So I normally have sometimes I have 2 eggs in a day now, because there's 4 eggs in a day. But because now it's so hot, I just have 2 to 3 eggs in a day. So between 2 to 4 eggs in a day is okay to have. And depending on your body weight, depending on the kind of activity you do, if you're gymming at home, you're working out at home, you will need more eggs, okay. Okay, so I think I've answered 3-4 questions. How many eggs you can have per day? I've answered the question. Fahim is saying, my kids don't like yolk. So can you make bhurji for them so that they cannot identify the difference? Okay, yolk hai ke white hai. अच्छे से उसको आप mix करके then you can make a bhurji. So you can give them in bhurji form. Now what you can also do is you can make egg custard. Egg custard is also very healthy, okay. So you take some milk, you put 1 egg in that, you beat it well, and you can put a little bit of sugar in that, you can put maple syrup in that, or you can just put few pieces of dates in that, and you steam it. You steam it for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then cool it down, and then refrigerate it. Usko thanda karne rakh dijiye, and then you can have that as a dessert. Okay, protein, you can have it as a snack. Protein bhi hai usme, it's healthy also, and it's quite filling. Okay, so this is something you can try with your kids. You can give them egg custard, or you can make them bhurji, so that way they can have the entire egg. Is eating eggs advisable in summer? Very much, yes. So Divya also has some suggestions for Fahim. You can cook egg gravy and dilute egg yolk in curry. Yes, you can do that too. Prakash is saying, I'm 30-year-old. I can take 4 egg whites daily. So don't give me your age. Give me your activity. Are you working out every day? and I mean, how physically active are you? If you're not active and you're just loading your body with too much of protein, it's bad for your kidneys, it's bad for your health. Okay, so don't keep loading your body with too much of protein. You may have seen a lot of these bodybuilders or people who are into gymming, you will see them eating like dozens of eggs. Okay, so please don't do that. You may end up getting uric acid, you may end up getting a lot of other health issues, kidney problems. Okay, please have sufficient water. You need to have 3.5 to 4 liters of water. Summer has set in, गर्मी आ चुकी है. If you're having protein, okay, then you need to have water, otherwise your body will not detoxify, will start smelling bad. If you're having too much of protein, not having sufficient water, you'll start stinking, your sweat will smell bad. Country eggs nutrition is different from poultry eggs. Okay, so country eggs, okay, the desi eggs are the best. Okay, so they have more omega-3 fatty acids. Okay, because the hens are fed on more of grass, and that way it depends on what the hens are fed on. So yes, country eggs are more nutritious. If you find them, then please have the country eggs. Yeah, and they are not processed. Sometimes the poultry eggs are processed too. Mopal Aruna, hi. Heard in news, so asking, ma'am. No, that's a false news. Vitamin plant grown. What is that plant? I don't even know. Most welcome, Mahesh. Kuldeep ji, hi. Is egg fat or protein? Egg is a complete protein and it has fat also. So one egg has 75 to 80 calories. It has about 6.5 grams of protein and it has about 4 to 5 grams of healthy fat. So it is fat and protein, very important. Okay, उसका fat आपको निकालना नहीं है, so you don't have to discard the egg yolk. आपको पूरा egg yolk के साथ ही खाना है. So don't bother about that. Don't worry that okay, मैं मोटी हो जाऊंगी या मेरा I have heart issue, I can't have that. No, you have heart issue, you please have it. You have digestive issues, you please have it. You have you are working out, you feel tired, you have it. It also has selenium, okay, and zinc, which is very good for your skin, for your hair, and for quick recovery. Okay, zinc supplements देते हैं when people fall sick, cold, cough, flu अगर लोगों को हो जाता है, तो zinc supplements देने में आते हैं, and eggs have natural source of zinc. So yeah, it is really healthy. It also has some quantities, minute quantities of vitamin D. So it's great for your bones, it's great for your joints, and it's great for your muscle development. Mahesh ji, क्या सवाल किया? Is egg a vegetarian or non-vegetarian? I leave that answer to the audience. What do you guys say? Is it a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian? We can have soya chunks as a source of protein. Soya chunks, okay. I am a little anti soya chunks because soya chunks जो है it's processed. Okay, soya chunks जो है processed होता है. So I would rather suggest that, and soya is difficult to digest also. So you can have dals, moong dal hai, tuar dal hai. There are so many types of chane ki dal hai, urad dal hai. You can have all those dals, okay, rather than having soya chunks. कोरोना के टाइम पे एग नहीं खाना चाहिए ऐसा कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं. इज इट राइट मैम? नो, इट इज रॉन्ग. ऋषभ राहुल जी, दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. कोरोना का टाइम है तो अनलेस दे हैव डिक्लेयर्ड इन द न्यूज दैट यू आर बर्ड फ्लू हो गया है तभी आपको नहीं खाना है. देयर इज नो सच न्यूज ऑफ एनी बर्ड फ्लू और एनीथिंग हैपनिंग अराउंड. You can safely have chicken broth, which is good for recovery in corona times. Chicken broth, chicken का सूप बनाकर पीजिए, recovery अच्छी होगी. And have eggs. Okay, I remember as a child, अगर हम बीमार होते थे घर पे, even now, मम्मी जो है पाया सूप या चिकन का सूप बनाती थी, so that you recover faster. So yeah, that is very good for your recovery. Chicken soup, paya soup will help your body to recover faster from any illness. Also, it's very good for your immunity. So if you want to boost your immunity, have chicken broth, chicken paya soup, have eggs. It's great. It's great for your skin, great for your hair, great for your brain development. Pregnant women watching me, please have it. Diabetic patients, heart patients, please have it. Diabetic patients, it will help you to keep your blood sugar level in check. Heart patients, it will help you to keep your heart nice and strong. And it's very good for everyone. Kids watching it, please give kids. It's very good for the kids. There was a study, a small study for the pediatric department, by the pediatric department, where they had study that if eggs are given to the kids, the growth and development of the kids is better. Okay, so the height, stunting नहीं होती, height अच्छे से बढ़ती है. Development, growth or development for a child enhances by eating eggs. So if your child doesn't like eggs, you can try different recipes. Okay, like I said, you can give egg custard, you can make burji, you can put it in your fried rice and give it to your child. You can make a egg roll and give it to your child. You can make different things and try. Okay, so that way you keep trying, you keep including healthy food in your child's diet. जय सिंह has an अंडा शायरी. भुर्जी में या करी में या बॉयल खाए आप अंडा, हीना के साथ मिलकर आए हमारे कोरोना को डंडा. बिल्कुल, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. कोरोना को डंडा मारेंगे अंडा खा के. जय जी, सुपर्ब सुपर्ब. दिस इज अमेजिंग. आई लव ऑल योर शायरीज. You know what, you should just write down all these शायरीज and then you should put your name down. वरना ये कॉपीराइट कर दीजिए, वरना मेरे जैसे लोग आपकी शायरी पसंद करेंगे और ले लेंगे. So you should write your name down on all your शायरीज. You should make a collection of all your शायरीज. Okay, I think I have answered all your questions. So yes, you can have in summer, no problem. Just that it's naturally a little heaty, so don't overeat it. Okay. So also we are not moving out much. Okay, so that's why you have to eat in control. And keep in mind that you have to eat protein post workout so that your muscles recover faster. So अगर आप workout करें, even if you're doing yoga, you're doing weight training, you're doing some good dancing, or you're doing some free body weight exercises, please don't forget to eat eggs or eat protein post your workout. You can even have dal. You can even have मूंग भी जो है आप पी सकते हो. मिथिलेश सिंह जी नमस्ते. Jay Singh is saying yes, chicken soup is so good, so much that even the chicken soup for the soul book series is good as well for the mind. Yes, yes, chicken soup is really good. Chicken broth especially. Okay, किसी का accident हो जाता है, you know, anybody has some issue with किसी को लग जाता है, or somebody is on that recovery stage, they all should have chicken broth. Chicken broth is absolutely healthy and it's a must. I would suggest that you should have it. If you are a non-vegetarian, please have chicken broth. How many eggs per day for my kid 4.5 year princess do you suggest, ma'am? Mahesh, your princess 4.5 year, give lots of love to your princess, and for her 1 or 2 eggs in a day is fine. Okay, she can even just have 1 egg in a day. You know, that should be fine. But give her different sources of protein. Don't just keep giving her eggs. You can give her dal. You can give a combination of dal and rice. Give her moong. Okay, give her चीला बनाकर आप उसको दीजिए, ग्राम फ्लावर का, बेसन के आटे का चीला. इट्स वेरी हेल्दी एंड योर चाइल्ड विल ऑल्सो एंजॉय इट. ओके, इफ योर चाइल्ड कीप्स हैविंग द सेम फूड ऑल द टाइम, सेम ही खाना पूरा वक्त खाते रहेंगे तो फिर उसको प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. सो ट्राई गिविंग डिफरेंट वेरिएशन एंड द चाइल्ड विल गेट बोर्ड ऑल्सो. समटाइम्स एग, समटाइम्स चिकन, समटाइम्स दाल, समटाइम्स चीला. You know, sometimes you can make खिचड़ी जिसमें आप दाल डाल सकते हो. खिचड़ी is like really amazing. खिचड़ी is my favorite food. So Girish also has some input for Mahesh. Yes, 1 egg should be fine. You can even go up to 2 eggs. Okay, if your child likes it and if your child demands for it. Okay, egg is also a great snack. Okay, if you feel hungry in between your meals, भूख लगती है खाने के बीच में, you want to eat something, you can try having eggs. भूख को मारने के लिए, to keep you full, eggs are wonderful. Okay, so guys, egg is a rich source of protein. It is a rich source of good fat. It has 9 important amino acid which makes it a complete protein. And choline जो है बहुत जल्दी से खाने में नहीं मिलता. It is there in egg yolk, which is very good for your brain development, very good for the development of fetus. Fetus के development के लिए भी बहुत ही बढ़िया है. It's also very good for people who work out. Okay, जो लोग वर्कआउट करते हैं उन लोगों के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, बिकॉज उनका मसल रिकवरी, उनका शरीर का रिकवरी जो है फास्ट होगा. इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी गुड फॉर पीपल हु हैव हेयर ट्रबल, हेयर फॉल जिनको है, उन सभी के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है. पीपल हु हैव bad skin, okay, skin जिनकी सही नहीं है, since it has good fats, it's good for people with skin issues also, and it's good for people who are watching weight because it keeps you full. So वो आपका पेट भरा सा रहता है. So that way, you know, you can have an egg and that will help you to stay full for longer, and you will not end up eating or overeating anything else. So yes, egg is my rescue food. You know, भुर्जी भी बना सकते हैं, and it is so good that you can make so many things. You can make an egg soup. Sweet corn soup is again my favorite. इतना अच्छा बनता है. So you make the chicken broth, okay, chicken broth बना लीजिए, and then you beat one egg and you put egg in that chicken broth, and then you just keep swirling it, and you put sweet corn. बहुत ही बढ़िया बनता है. You put a little bit of vinegar. If you want the recipe, I can give you the proper recipe. But sweet corn soup is also amazing. आप बहुत ही tasty बना सकते हैं sweet corn soup भी. Yes, it's okay if you even have cholesterol, absolutely, but you have to keep moving, okay? बाकी सारी चीजें बंद कर दीजिए. Just stick to eggs. Cut down on all the other things which are fried, okay? Bakery products बंद कर दीजिए. तली हुई चीजें बंद कर दीजिए. समोसे, पकौड़े, पकवान खाना बंद कर दीजिए. ये सारी एग्स खाइए उसके रिप्लेसमेंट में. दैट इज गुड फैट्स, ओके? सो दैट इज व्हाट आई वुड सजेस्ट. इज एग ओके फॉर यू? Thank you for your session. It is really helpful. Thank you so much everyone for tuning in, and I see almost 4.6k heart, guys. Thank you so much for being so kind, and 2400 people watching me live. I request you all to keep participating in the quiz, to keep motivating all our frontliners. आप प्ले करोगे तो हम points donate कर सकेंगे. We can give them a face mask, and they will all feel good about it. So let's all motivate them. Let's all get together to fight this corona. Stay at home, stay safe, keep washing your hands, please follow the basics, and please stay active. Make right choice of food. It's about making the right choice of food. There will be a lot of food available. आप क्या खाना चूज करते हो वो जरूरी है. आप तली हुई चीजें चूज करते हो कि आप दाल खिचड़ी चूज करते हो? Okay, choosing दाल खिचड़ी, okay. Once in a while, since we are at home, we eat something or the other is fine. But रोजाना ऐसा unhealthy खाना is not advisable. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Please keep watching Goki. I hope to see you all of you tomorrow at 6:30. Keep watching Goki, and we also have this amazing Goki home quarantine workout. If you do that workout along with, or you can join a life coach, or you can do that workout, you get Goki merchandise and you get Goki cash. So participate करें, अपने आप को fit रखें, and keep smiling. Yes, we have reached 5k. Thank you so much, Jai Singh. Thank you everyone for being so kind. Thank you Mahesh, Girish, Jay, Kamlesh, Rajkumar, Dada. Thank you everyone who's been sending Ravi, and yeah, lot of you all. Thank you so much everyone for coming in and watching my session. I'm going to see you all tomorrow. Have a wonderful time ahead. Keep smiling and be the force. Namaste.